Ukraine's drone army works as the perfect weapon system against Russia's supply chain. Being cheap, being able to be carried close to the front line and having high maneuverability and being able to take out trucks fairly easily. These can be used to hunt down trucks in hiding, while doing deliveries or while in transport, with Ukraine's drone surveillance being able to spot these over a wide area to send in attack, chasing down the vehicle, often destroying it, but almost at least damaging it badly or immobilizing it, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.